Hi friends, I'm going to show you what materials you need to play the dice game, and then I'm going to show you how to play the dice game. And our objective for this game is for you to be able to compare two groups of objects by using the words more than, less than, or the same as. So first, you need this paper. And there is a link for it on the slide that has this game. If you can't print it, that is perfectly fine. You could just get a piece of paper and draw two large rectangles, which gives us places to count our objects. The other thing you're going to have to find in your house somewhere are things to count. I found pasta, rotini. You might find buttons or beans or something that you can use that will be easy to count. And the next thing you need are a set of dice. And guess what? I had no dice that I could find in my house, so I made some. I found some wooden blocks, the kind of blocks that kids like to play with, and I covered each side with a piece of white paper. And when I was done covering, I took a black marker and made the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. That was kind of fun. Okay, so let's begin. This is a game you can play by yourself. Okay, I'm going to roll the dice. Let's see, I've got let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So in my first large rectangle, I'm going to count out 9 pieces of pasta. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There. This rotini rolls a little bit. Now I'm going to roll my dice again. Okay. Whoops. And this time, I went right on top of my rotini. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to count out 7 pieces of rotini for my group 2. Okay, so I am going to look back at my first group, and I'm going to count them again to remind myself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'm going to remember I have 9 in group 1. Group 2 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to compare the groups, and I'm going to use this sentence frame. I'm going to say that group 1 has more objects than group 2 because I know that 9 is more than 7. Let's try one more. I'll put my pasta back. I'll roll my trusty homemade dice. And this time, I'm going to count and see what I rolled. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 7 for group 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I'm going to roll my dice again. Okay. Oh my gosh, and this time I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. I'm going to go back to group 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I'm going to remember that there's 7 there. And let me count my group 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now I'm going to use the sentence frame when I compare. I'm going to say that group 1 has less objects than group 2 because I know that 7 is less than 9. Okay? And I'm going to show you one more thing that could happen. And instead of rolling the dice, I'm just going to show you to save time. Let's pretend that I rolled a 4 for group 1, and then I did the same thing for group 2, and we both ended up with 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I rolled the dice again, and I had 1, 2, 3, 4. If that happens to you, and both rectangles have the same, you would use the sentence frame. Group 1 is the same as group 2 because I know that 4 is the same as 4. Okay? And that's the dice game. Have fun.